Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Liz and I post a lot of beauty related content here on my channel. Why can I never say my intro without making a mistake in how I talk? Okay, that's just how I talk. I'm always making weird words up somehow. Anywho, if that's the kind of content you like, then please subscribe down below. We've got another collab video, and the collab video is with the lovely Jess again. Her makeup channel will be linked down below. Again, she does a lot of tutorials, testing videos, very affordable makeup. She just literally did a room tour that I love. We're going to be collabing on this palette here. This is another XX palette. This is the Xxodus palette. This is the red one, so had to wear a red jumper, didn't I? These retail for £16, but I've used two and I really like them, so we're just gonna do a little tutorial with this one because look how stunning that palette is. It is gorgeous. There is so many nice reds in here. You've got like a purpley red, you've got a brown tone red, you've got a pinky red, like you've got gorgeous shades in here, and then you've got some nice like transition shades, and then obviously the palette is this lovely like velvet type palette, and I really love these palettes. This will be my third one. I want to really get through all the XX like velvet type palettes, but in here I feel like there's 8 mattes and the rest are shimmers, which isn't too bad because you know the first one we collabed on there was a lot of mattes, a lot of shimmers and not many mattes, so luckily this one's gorgeous. So we're just gonna put some Beauty Bay eye base down. Actually gonna be testing out this Revolution beauty blender today. This is from their, what do you call it, their fridge gift set. I think it's is it something and chill gift set, I don't know, but it's really nice. So this is the palette close up. It's lovely, it's cute, it's got lots of brown transition shades in there, a few reds, a kind of pink. Like I said, this shade here I need to use it in some sort of way, but I feel like it nearly represents the whole red theme. It just needs a couple more reds in there, but matte shades, because actually yeah, maybe a red shimmer as well, because I feel like they're more on the pinky side, but they are absolutely gorgeous. And this palette is the only palette that I've got that doesn't actually have the name sheet that I'm aware of at this point, so I want to go in with this shade here. Quite nice. This is very pigmented. Wow. I wanted to blend this out with another shade. That is crazy. I cannot believe how one dab into the pan has done that. Beyond crazy, to the point that I don't even know what other colours I'm going to use. I literally just wanted this in my crease, but now because of how high up I went here, I'm just going to have to do it high. Pigmentation is fucking incredible. Wow. Go in with this purple shade here. I'm going to take this smaller I Heart Revolution brush. Dust a lot off. Nope, that's not a good brush to use. Maybe put this on the outer and the inner corner and do some sort of halo eye. Let's go in with this brown here, now at the outer corner a bit. Now I'm really stuck between this shade here and this shade here, so let's just swatch them. They're very similar, very similar. Obviously that's the top shade, that's the second shade. What if I put that on the centre and then top it off? No, but then if I top it off, I want to top it off with something, ooh, a bit brighter. Okay, and what else have we got? We've got this gold, like that one here. Ooh, do I turn this gold? We've got another bronzy shade down here. Really wanted to do a proper red look, but ooh, that's nice. What else have we got? These two shades here, they're just so soft as well. Oh, that's a matte. That one's a matte, so this bronzier shade, it's like here. We've got this shade up here in the corner, that's like more of like a pumpkin colour. it's like a copper. I'm gonna have to use that. That is really stunning. Yeah, this corner one, it's gotta be that. I'm gonna use this Jess brush, packing on nicely onto the brush. Gonna do quite a wide halo eye. And then we'll go in with that dark brown again, just on the outer corners. Plop them down and blend it out. That was such an easy halo eye to do. I really like that. Really do. Blending at the top here. I've gone way too high, but I can imagine if you had like a really big dramatic lash, that would look really nice. I'm really crap at dramatic lashes, but I actually really like the eyes. The quality is incredible. I'm gonna do the other eye off camera. Yeah, so here we have it. This is what the eyes are looking like. I'm actually really in love with these eyes at the moment. I can't tell you how much. I'm kind of glad that I couldn't use as many colours as I wanted to, because that copper shade is incredible. I'm gonna have to start using my MUA Pro Base Primer Oil, which has gold flakes in it, because my Honey Dream Me Up has probably like 1 or 2 uses out of it, and I want to save those until I know I've bought myself a backup. This is the longest I've gone without using one. I'm so sad. This stuff you don't have too much time to play with. It actually will leak on your face quite quickly, so do it in sections. Then we're going to take what's left of my MUA Pro Base in 130. It actually looks like nothing. The main reason I want to show you how this foundation, well, me applying this foundation, is because I've got a new beauty blender to try. I never stray from my beauty blender, the actual brand beauty blender, just because they're amazing. However, this one came in the I Heart Revolution and Chill gift set, so the one that looked like a fridge, and it's really squidgy, and a lot of people rave about this, so I'm really going to give this a chance and hope for the best. Like, compared to my beauty blender, it's like double the size. It's soaking up a lot of product. I must admit, I need a bit more coverage, like around my chin area. This beauty blender is absolutely amazing. I love it, and I hope they bring it out, because I would buy that again and again instead of purchasing my beauty blenders, which needs a wash, for 16 quid. Now for bronzer, I want to use my gingerbread bronzer. I haven't used this in a little while, it feels like. This one has a slight bronzier sheen to it, which I like. Looking a bit more bronze, which is what I like to see. For blush, let's go in with Beauty Bay Bitten. Haven't used this in a little while as well. Then for highlight, definitely has to be my I Heart Revolution contour kit in medium. I feel like putting this Sundown lip gloss from Xxodus into this look somehow. Gonna use Vintage by Beauty Bay. Absolutely love this lip liner, and let's put the gloss on. Okay, let's go under the eyes, and I'm thinking of just something really dark and smoky just to tie in with the lips, so maybe like the corner shade that we use on the inner and the outer corner. Then for inner corner highlight, I want to go in with this shade here. These Ardell lashes, I think, are like the last time I can use them. And then for under my eyes, under my brow bone, let's go in with the cream shade down here. So guys, this is the finished look. I'm really happy with it, I must admit. I love the shimmers in there, love the mattes, everything performed really well. My dog is on my lap if you hear any licking, because she keeps licking the air. She's weird. It's such a lovely palette to play with. I do wish there was more reds in there. Like, I'm not upset with the amount of shimmers to mattes there are, because there's only like 8 mattes and more shimmers than mattes, but there's a nice range of mattes in there. I just wish there was more reds. Like, I really would love more reds, more burgundy reds, more lighter reds, like a proper like rows of different reds. But it's really hard with certain brands, they don't do it as much. But I did love the eye look that you can come out with. It was amazing. Oh, hiccup, sorry. It was amazing, and I'm glad that I was able to create an eye look in collab with Jess. So please guys, again, go down, her video will be down in the description box. Go and follow Jess, go and subscribe to her. She's amazing, she's very talented, and I just love her content. Her content is so good, so please go down, because she is new to YouTube. Go and follow her, go subscribe to her, go say hi, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.